Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Today in this video we talk about Saira Yusuf and Shahriyar Munawwar's hot stunning photo shoot. Before that, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Saira Yusuf has made a mind-blogging comeback with her ever-romantic, hot and stunning photo shoot with Shahriyar Munawwar. This duo has set the internet on the heat with their sensual photo shoot, and fans have got some mixed opinions about it. Saira Yusuf has remained off the screen after a turning point in her life that changed everything. She has gathered much praise from other celebrities as well as from the fans for being a strong woman. Now she was made her comeback with his romantic photo shoot, and everyone is flabbergasted with the idea of fell romance. Here we have got the clicks from Saira and Shahriyar's romantic photo shoot. This magnificent duo has shared wonderful chemistry and we are all in love with their appearance. Take a look. About this photo shoot, fans and audience had a mixed opinions. Let's take a look. These comments show that some of the fans have simply loved the chemistry of this on-screen couple, while others have considered it bold and criticized them. Most of the fans like them together, and they are all in praise for Saira Yusuf and Shahriyar Munawwar. So, what do you think about this latest photo shoot of Saira and Shahriyar? Don't forget to share your valuable feedback with us. For more video and updates, connect with the entertainment world.